Morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Maligayang pagdating po muli sa inyo dito po sa Manila Cathedral, and once more, Happy Easter to all of you. We are now on the third week and celebrating today the third Sunday of Easter. And today, it is so obvious that we see very much strongly the person or the character of Peter. And today we've heard this encounter between the disciples and Jesus at the Sea of Tiberias with a particular conversation, a particular encounter between Jesus and Peter with this thrice repeated question of Jesus to Peter, "Do you love me? Iniibig mo ba ako?" Some Bible commentators, which I know you know for a fact, would attribute the thrice repeated question to Peter of "Do you love me?" as a sign of renewal to the 3 times denial of Peter during the passion of the Lord. Kaya daw 3 tanong na "iniibig mo ba ako?" ay 3 pagpapanibago ni Pedro ng kanyang pag-ibig kay Jesus. But towards the end, we've heard that Peter became distressed because he was asked for the 3rd time, "Do you love me?" At ano po nga ba yung naging sagot ni Pedro sa dulo? "Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you." Alam niyo po ang lahat ng bagay at alam ninyong iniibig ko po kayo. What would Peter mean, "Lord, you know everything"? And when we say, "Lord, you know everything," it is also trying to say that indeed the Lord knows everything. Di ho ba? Alam na Panginoon, alam ni Jesus na si Pedro magiging bato ng simbahan. Alam ni Jesus na darating ang panahon na si Pedro patuloy na paglalabanan, patuloy na didepensahan ang pananampalataya. The Lord knows that, as what we have heard in our first reading, He will be a staunch defender of this faith to those people wanting to destroy it and even to break over it. The Lord knows every good side of Peter. But the Lord knows as well how this man thrice denied Him. Jesus knew well that during the ministry, Peter lost faith. Jesus knew well that this man was not really a man of strong character, but he was so simple and weak inside of him. Ayun po marahil ang ibig sabihin nung sinabi ni Pedro, "Alam niyo po ang lahat ng bagay. Alam niyo po ang kagandahang loob ko, ang magandang nangyayari sa akin, but you also know what's my weakness." Pero isa lang po ang tiyak. Alam man ng Panginoon ang kagandahan at hindi maganda kay Pedro, isa ang tiyak kay Jesus at kay Pedro. You know everything, and you know that I love you. Mahina ako, malakas ako, pero isa ang tiyak dito, Panginoon, mahal kita, iniibig kita. And my dear brothers and sisters, isn't it the same experience to the rest of us? Alam po ng Panginoon na ang lahat ng bagay sa atin. Alam ng Panginoon ang lahat ng bagay kay Father Viel. Alam niyang mahina akong pari. may rupok din akong pagkatao, may kasalanan ako. Alam din niya yung mga kapasidad ko, yung aking naibigay, ang aking mga naiambag. Pero sana isa yung tiyak sa akin, na alam ko man ang mahina sa akin, alam ko man yung maganda sa akin, isa ang tiyak, mahal ko ang Diyos. And to all of us, we know that we have been blessed by God. We know that we've been made happy by the Lord. We know so well the many consolations of life. Buhay tayo. Mayroon tayong masaganang buhay. Patuloy tayong binibigyan ng pagkakataon. Jubilee year, mayroon tayong pag-asa. Pero alam ng Panginoon ng lahat ng bagay, kahit ang ating kahinaan, ang ating kalungkutan, ang ating mga sinasabi nga nating kadiliman sa buhay na ito. Pero sana isa ang tiyak sa mga bagay na ito. Mahal natin ang Diyos. Sabi nga po sa isang kanta, di ba? May nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda. At ang dudang ito nasa madaming mga mukha. Duda ng ating kahinaan. Duda ng ating hindi pagiging dapat. Duda ng ating mga madaming kasalanan at kadiliman sa buhay na ito. Pero iisa po ang tiyak. Mahal natin ang Diyos. Mahal natin si Jesus. Alam nating palpak tayo. Alam nating may talento tayo. Alam nating may kahinaan tayo, may kalakasan tayo. We know that we are sinful, but we know that we are loved by God. But we always bring that one single fact every day. We know all of these. The Lord knows all of these. And we know that we love the Lord. Tiyak po ang ating kasamaan. Tiyak ang ating mga kahinaan. Pero isa lang po ang tiyak din. Mahal natin ang Diyos. Ang pag-ibig natin sa Diyos. We rejoice and appreciate of this encounter with the Lord. He knows everything, our goodness, our weaknesses. But together with Peter we say, indeed, Lord, you know everything. And still you know, and we profess that we love you.